In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Now, this is unfortunately not really a foolproof way because it has some specifications. So, WhatsApp backs up your chat data to your Google Drive. So, what you're going to do is go to the top right hand corner and click on those three dots. You're going to go to Settings, then you're going to go to Chats. You're going to scroll down till you see Chat Backup. And now you can see your last backup date. So if the chat happened before this date, then you are good and you can recover it. But there's one caveat: you are going to lose any chats that happened after this date. Very important to keep in mind. So now you need to make a decision of how important that specific chat is. And if that is fine with you and everything meets the specification, then all you need to do is delete WhatsApp and reinstall it, and you'll be prompted to use your backup upon reinstall. Unfortunately, that is as good as it's going to get, so hopefully, this manages to help you. And if you do find this information helpful, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.